The P0113 diagnostic trouble code indicates that your vehicle's engine control module has detected an abnormally high voltage signal from the intake air temperature sensor circuit. The intake air temperature sensor is located in the engine's air intake system. Let's examine where this critical sensor is positioned in your vehicle's engine. The IAT sensor is a thermistor that measures the temperature of air entering the engine. This data is crucial for the engine control module to make precise calculations. The IAT sensor uses thermistor technology. It's specifically a negative temperature coefficient thermistor, meaning as temperature increases, electrical resistance decreases. Here's how the relationship between temperature and resistance works in practice. As you can see from this thermistor curve, resistance drops dramatically as temperature increases. The IAT sensor connects to the engine control module through a simple two-wire circuit. One wire provides 5 volts from the ECM, while the other provides a ground connection. The P0113 code is triggered when the ECM detects a voltage reading above 4.91 volts for a sustained period. This indicates the sensor is reading extremely cold temperatures that are unrealistic. Several issues can cause the P0113 code. The most common cause is a faulty IAT sensor itself, accounting for about 40 to 50% of cases. Wiring problems are the second most common cause. These include open circuits, corroded connections, and damaged wiring harnesses. Here's an example of connector corrosion that can cause the P0113 code. Understanding the P013 code and how the IAT sensor works is the first step in proper diagnosis. In the next section, we'll cover the specific diagnostic procedures and repair methods to fix this issue. The first step in diagnosing P0113 is verifying the code with a professional scan tool. This confirms the issue and provides freeze-frame data for analysis. Next, perform a thorough visual inspection of the IAT sensor, wiring harness, and electrical connections. Look for obvious damage, corrosion, or loose connections. Use a digital multimeter to test the sensor's resistance and voltage. At room temperature, the IAT sensor should typically read between 2,000 and 6,000 ohms resistance. Test the wiring continuity from the sensor to the engine control module and verify the ground circuit integrity. This ensures the electrical pathway is complete and functioning properly. Based on your diagnostic results, repair options include sensor replacement, wiring repair, or connector cleaning. IAT sensor replacement typically costs $25 to $80 for the part, with total repair costs averaging $100 to $230. To prevent future P013 codes, maintain your vehicle with regular air filter replacement, periodic intake system cleaning, and routine inspection of electrical connections. These simple maintenance steps can significantly extend sensor life.